Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So right now we're actually getting ready to go to a car meet that's going to have a lot of Supras. We're getting ready to head out. It's about 7 o'clock. It's pretty gloomy, but hey, it's going to be good for videos. We're not going to have a lot of bad shadows being cast on the cars from people walking around. But let's go ahead and head over there. Alright guys, so we just made it to the meet and I'm absolutely tired, so excuse if I don't have the enthusiasm like I normally do. The Lexus luckily was all cleaned up from the other day, so I don't have to worry about cleaning that again. But let's go ahead and start checking out some of these cars. There's already some Supras, Mark 4s, Mark 5s, got all other kind of stuff here, but let's go ahead and start off with Johnny's Supra because this thing looks amazing. Alright guys, so I just absolutely love the color on this Type R. The blue with the white wheels looks so amazing. But I'm actually going to be looking for a truck here in the near future. And a brand new Tundra TRD just showed up. And this thing looks amazing. It's not the hybrid one because that one comes out next year. But still the new twin turbo V6. So let's go ahead and get a little walk around, check it out. So already these wheels just look amazing. Look at those. This thing's definitely a nice spec. Man, this thing's actually a lot bigger than I realized, but man, it looks so good. You got the TRD grill right there. This thing actually looks amazing. There's some models that this trim piece right here is actually chrome. I think it does not look good in my opinion. I do like how this one's paint matched. The front end looks really aggressive, really mean, but yeah, I'm really hoping to pick up the hybrid variant of this. Yeah, I know the hybrid seems like it kind of sucks for a truck, but with the twin turbo V6 and then the hybrid on top of that has a lot of towing capacity. So hopefully whenever that one does come out, I can be able to pick one up because I just absolutely love the new Tundras. So I have not seen one of these in forever. 7-liter LS7? Dang. I do like that paint fade from the white going into the flames with the yellow. It's actually a really nice spec. And then there's a Datsun 280Z, which I filmed in a previous meet, which looks amazing. It's this matte black. It looks really good. I did a short on it as well, but if you guys haven't seen it, here it is. Alright, so that Supra has an exhaust that literally sounds like gunshots. Like, I just absolutely love that. Like, I heard it coming down the street. I tried to get my camera out, but it wouldn't record in time. But I did get that one little clip. There's a couple classic cars over here that we're going to check out right now. Not a huge classic car guy, but these look super clean. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up the vlog right here. If you guys like this video, definitely get on and hit that like button down below. And let me know what your opinion was on some of these cars, because there were some gorgeous JDM cars here for sure. But yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, definitely like, subscribe to see more videos like this and other crazy awesome cars. But as always guys, thank you for watching.